Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to explore parts of downtown Nairobi. So I've realized NMS has begun the reconstruction and transformation of Nairobi streets in downtown Nairobi. People have been asking me to show downtown Nairobi and if NMS is doing something. So today I've brought you this video so you have to know that slowly by slowly, step by step, we are transforming the whole of Nairobi, not just the best places or the good looking places. We are transforming all of it. So guys, if you are new, please be sure to subscribe. Also don't forget to like this video. That is the only thing I ask from you, just like the video. Otherwise, this is what I do. This is the kind of things I love to see. A transformation. You see, these streets were very dirty and you wouldn't love to work here, but now look, it's very clean, it looks nice, and once it's complete, I'm sure this place will change. This is what we want to do for the whole of Nairobi, and I'm glad that NMS is doing something. Many people have come and gone as leaders of Nairobi, but we have never seen this type of change. That's why I always say give credit where it's due. They are doing this, as you will see. I will be walking on this road. This is called Ring Road. It goes all the way and joins to Ngara Ring Road. So they are doing this not just in this place but all over Nairobi. So if you walk in most parts of Nairobi, you'll realize that they are building these cabros, and they're also going to develop so many other things. So thank you guys, watch till the end. You'll see how far they have gone in this project. I hope you love it. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.